How to add a cover to a video in CapCut PC. This tutorial shows you how to set a custom cover frame before exporting. First, open the CapCut app on your computer. From there, open the project you want to add a cover to. After that, look at your timeline and find the video clip at the very start. At this point, click on Cover, usually shown as a small thumbnail box next to the beginning of your timeline. Following this, a preview window will open showing your video's timeline. From here, drag the slider to choose the exact frame you want to use as your cover. At this stage, if you'd rather upload a completely separate image instead of using a video frame, click Upload within that same window. Following this, select an image from your computer. From here, once you've picked either a frame or an uploaded image, adjust the framing if needed by dragging or zooming. At this stage, click Save or Confirm to apply it. Once applied, that image will show as the cover thumbnail for your video whenever it's shared or previewed before exporting. That's how you add a cover to a video in CapCut PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!